Hello, and welcome to Airlock Videos. Today, we will show you how easy it is to activate Airlock 2FA in your existing Airlock IAM. It only takes 6 minutes. After authenticating as administrator, go to the configuration. Let's start with Authentication Settings under Main Settings and create a new plugin for Airlock 2FA settings. For the database repository, you can usually just select your existing database, and for storage encryption, the predefined default plugin. Next, we configure the connection to the Airlock 2FA cloud service, the Future A server. You will find the configuration values with your Airlock IAM license. Simply copy them as you see me doing here. As I not only configure the system but use it afterwards for a demonstration for you, the used values are real. For security reasons, they have been masked in this video. Next, we add Airlock 2FA to the list of available second factors. In your installation, the list will probably be shorter. These identifiers are not strictly required, but they help to make future configuration changes easier to manage. Upon use, Airlock 2FA records certain values for a user in the database, which must be removed once the user is deleted. This task is fulfilled by a user change listener. It usually doesn't require detailed configuration. This completes configuration of the main settings. Next are the self-service settings so that users can manage their smartphone registrations with Airlock 2FA. In the Admin app, we add a new token controller to allow user management to include Airlock 2FA. It also takes care of providing all onboarding information to new users. Please do not simply copy the values shown here, but adapt to your specific installation. Finally, let's add Airlock 2FA also to transaction approval. Of course, this step is optional if you don't make use of the functionality. Oops, please excuse the typo. The configuration here ensures that Airlock 2FA can only be selected for transaction approval when it has been used for login and at least one smartphone registration is still active. And that's it. We only need to activate this new configuration and Airlock 2FA is available for our users. Okay, now we're ready for a short demonstration. First, for comparison, Stephanie will authenticate using her current second factor, the insecure MTAN, where she receives a code by SMS. So let's bring up a view of her smartphone. It takes a moment for the SMS to arrive. Then she needs to manually enter it for a successful login. She logs off again. And we switch to the Help Desk's view to activate Stephanie for Airlock 2FA. Search for Stephanie's account in User Management. And activate migration and authentication methods. Of course, there is also the possibility to do this for multiple or all users concurrently as a bulk change. Now, Stephanie can log in again. She receives the final SMS from us and chooses to migrate to Airlock 2FA. She previously installed the corresponding app from the App Store and has it ready on her smartphone. She launches the app and scans the Airlock 2FA QR code for registration. The device name is optional but helps if she uses more than one smartphone. And with this, Stephanie will take advantage of modern and easy Airlock 2FA. To show you how easy it is, Stephanie has to log in a third time. She receives a push message to her phone. Confirms it with her fingerprint, and is successfully logged in. Pretty easy, isn't it? This begs the final question: when will you migrate to Airlock 2FA?